So guys, for first iteration, we have to create something like login form, registration, and all this stuff. What do you think? What is the best for to use for doing all this code for backend?
So for backend, I guess we'll be creating a table which will store login, username, and password.
Database table.
First we have to create a database, and in that database we're gonna create a table with username and passwords. Although we are not going to use it directly, we are going to use some other authentication technology like JSON Web Tokens, JWTs. So yeah, we're going to have special authentications and tables for login.
Great. Also, we have to do product listing page, right? With all our products. We will do it in the backend, and after that, I think on second iteration we will do it in the front end.
Yeah.
So as a backend, what do you suggest to use as to code and all this stuff? Like, what do you think? What is in mind? How we can program it?
Actually, you are using Spring framework on everything: authentication, authorization, and to create the endpoints. So every endpoint is gonna be Java and Spring. So
great. So
and the database you are using Postgres.
Great. So we are planning to create Android and web application.
Yeah,
right
we have plans for. Actually, already have implemented some code on Android and web. The web is going to be a kind of admin. We are using React.
For admin, right?
For admin. And on Android, we are using Java.
Mm-hmm. Good. Also, shopping cart for backend for shopping cart code. What are we supposed to use? What do you think? What is the best to use for shopping cart?
Actually, we can use Redis for the database, but I don't think the project demands that. Not right now. Only if we are going to production.
Yeah, we can do backend for shopping cart, but in future we can do front end. The front end is just easier,
but
right?
The
faster.
The front end, the shopping cart is gonna be a reality on the Android. We don't have shopping cart on the web.
Like we can use like a temporary database for shopping cart. No?
That's
a temporary data.
because-
Temporary data, right?
Yeah.
So also we have to see all information like as to who bought something or who ordered something from a website or from application. So we should be dashboard, right?
Yeah, dashboard.
With statistics and all this stuff. So we will also create this.
Charts and everything.
Yeah, to see statistics.
Create products and see reports.
yeah.
And
It makes sense, right?
Yeah.
As to search board, what do you think? We will also create backend at first, and after that we will present a front end, or
everything
do
every functionality we have to implement on the front end, we have to create on the back end first.
yeah, we will do the backend first, and after that we will present
Yeah.
the front end. Front end is easier and faster, right?
And for the search, we have two, right? One is a random search button, and the other is a filter, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah, filter, yeah, of course. Authorization, we also have to do authorization on the website, and like a guest, it will be by default or no, or we have to create it.
No, the guest authorization only works on the Android.
On the Android,
Yeah.
yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
And remember, Professor told us we need to implement two-way authentication, right?
Yeah,
So that has to be there.
Yeah,
I mean,
we will.
Yeah.
we will create it.
It's kind prepared for two-way, right?
Two-way authentication.
So great. On the way, we will discuss who will do some task, and we will complete it, right?
Yeah.
Great. So thank you very much.
Thank
you.
Yeah, work done.